me, Madison. So sorry I haven't been posting for like 2 months. I just kind of didn't want to film and didn't feel like it, and so I've been doing other stuff. But today, since prom season's here, it's April, I set a new goal. I'm going to start doing makeup tutorials and more videos. So today I'm doing a prom look, just a random little glam makeup tutorial that you can use for prom since it's prom season. But yeah, let's get started. So I always start with the Origins Original Skin Moisturizer. Because my makeup routine's kind of changed since the last one you saw, so I actually use products. Ugh. Okay, so there's, oh, and I already have my contacts in. I think they're from Fresh Lady Eye, and I love their contacts. I always wear them during makeup looks. After that, I go in with my primer. I use the Honeydew Me Up, and it's like it gives you like a dewy base, which it's nice. And I have a few pimples, like there's like one on my nose, kind of, and then on my chin. My life has been pretty boring. I mean, I do online school. I chill at home. And then, of course, I start with my brows. You don't have to start with your brows. You can start however you want to. But I always start with brows, even though I don't really do my brows anymore, like on a daily basis. So, I'm going to go with the Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil and do them how I normally do, which I brush them out. Then I go like the line right here, and then I kind of just follow the shape, and I do the same thing with the top. So now I put brow gel on because I love brow gel. The CoverGirl Professional Natural Lash clear stuff, and I just brush them on, and I just follow that curve like that. So now I'm going to use my foundation, and I'm using the Dior Forever Skin Glow in beige. So I'm going to shake it. I might have to mix this. It might be a little bit too dark because summer's here and I tanned outside. That's why my hands look weird, because the tanning oil got weird. I'm going to brush on my chicken. Ooh, that's really amazing. That's the same orange. I'll just do this. I'm going to use my concealer. It's still right now. It's very dark. Okay, some of them's out. Oh yeah, mixed with the concealer. This is okay. I'm still going to one because I did my eyebrows. I totally forgot to do. Oh, one. Foundation's a little weird. So here is my full face. I'm so not used to wearing this much like makeup. Like, I don't even wear foundation. So now I'm going to go in with concealer. So it's the L'Oreal one, same one I used on my face. And I'm just going to put it under my eyes, right here, and on my chin for extra coverage. And then I'm just going to blend that out with my sponge. Oh, you see I'm covered? So now I'm going to powder my face. I'm not going to bake or anything. I'm just going to powder. So now I'm going to go ahead and contour. And I use the Hoola Caramel Contour. I basically, on my everyday wear, I basically only wear contour. So Now I'm going to go with my blush. I'm using the Tarte blushes. I've been obsessed with Tarte blushes. They work so well for me because I like blush. I'm just going to use the regular brush. Or I can't say that. Wait, I'm going in. Oh, I like putting a lot of blush. That's just me. Okay, so now for the actual eye look. Finally. I'm gonna go in with my James Charles palette, and this is just gonna be like a natural look. Nothing too crazy. So I'm gonna go in with a blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with a blending shade, which is this light like toffee brown, and I'm gonna put it in my crease like so. Can Bella stop growling? Now I'm gonna get this dark brown like that, and I'm gonna put this on the outer corner, and I'm just gonna like lightly blend it in because I don't want it like too like dark. And this is kind of like making your shape. Like that. It's just like a lot of blending, which is like my thing. So now I've done that with both eyes. I'm gonna go back in with my blending color and just kind of blend it out. So now we kind of have this blended out shape. I'm going to go in and make a cut crease. Like a middle cut crease. So you're just going to get some concealer. And I'm going to go back in and then darken up that brown. Okay, so I'm going to go in with like a flat brush, and I'm going to wet it really good with some setting spray. And I'm going in with the Huda Beauty nude palette. So I'm going to go in with the like a mix of these two glitter ones, Infatuated and Excite. Okay, I'm just going to use my finger, and I'm going to put this glitter on. And I'm not even going to really follow the cut crease because it kind of disappeared. So I'm basically just putting it on my whole lid. And I'm just going to clean up the shape after I'm done. So by the way, the only way you can get that the glitter off is with a makeup wipe. So I would recommend doing it before you do your foundation. So yeah. So now I'm going to go in with some liner. Just liquid liner. And I'm just going to do a little wing. The eyeliner does not look good, but lashes are going to cover it up. So, I'm going to go ahead and glue on my lashes. Now I'm going to go with my black waterline eyeliner, and I'm going to put that on my waterline. Now I'm just going to add highlight. And I have to go find... Well, let's use this one. Guys, it took so long to film this video. I have to do my lips now. What color should I do for my mouth? Hot pink. Just kidding. I'm gonna try this nude color. This lip liner is the Kylie one in Dulce K. So here's the lip color I chose. It's okay. But I'm gonna put this Kylie gloss over it because it's really glittery. Ugh. And here's the completed look. I think it turned out decent for me not doing makeup in forever. So yeah. Here's the completed look. I hope y'all enjoyed my little prom makeup look. And I'll see you guys next time on Madison Jane. Bye!